guys, so today's video will be how to get a free baby bag. These bags are from Target and this one is from Baby Box University. We will be telling you how to get it and what's inside. The reason why we originally made a baby registry is because she's 4 months. And so we are just like trying to find like easy ways to get babies. Dr. Brown's bottle, Pampers Swaddlers, a pacifier, Aveeno baby lotion, a bottle, a 4-ounce bottle, Honest baby diapers, 2 14 pounds and 1 diaper. Diapers size 8 to 14 and 2 are in this. Wet wipes, and on there's a coupon on the back for $1 off any wet wipes. Sample of lotion, and if you want to order a breast pump or to know more about it, our milk storage bags and disposable nursing pads, Aquaphor, Johnson's body wash, lotion for your stretch marks, another sample of Aquaphor, and this is a whole bunch of coupons. We already looked in that bag.
It's basically the same stuff.
Yeah, it's the exact same stuff.
She had went in and got me one.
And here, we already looked in it. So it's just a bunch of coupons. A sample of oral pain relief and 6 tablets. And there's another pack of that. And a blanket for the baby. How to get this bag? You go to babyboxuniversity.com and you have to make an account and like fill out all your information.
And they'll make you watch a video and
Yeah.
you gotta do a quiz to it.
Yeah, you have to watch a few videos and like answer the questions to it, and then it comes for free. And if you want like a bigger bag or like even more stuff, then you'll have to pay for shipping on that. But for just this, you don't pay. It'll just like be for free. To get these from Target, you have to go to target.com. Once you made an account, you have to fill out your information and go to baby registry at Target, and you have to like say when's their due date and just all that. And once you've done that and at least added 1 item to your registry, then you can walk to your then you can go to your nearest Target and ask for a baby bag and they'll give it to you. And that's the end of this video. Let me know if you have any more questions on this. That's all for now. Bye.